Today, I'm going to be giving away my trade tracker spreadsheet for free. This is how I collected data day trading before paying for a service. Grab yours for free in the description and let's get into it. So first thing, when you're in the Google Doc, you're going to go to File, make a copy, and make a copy so that you can get your own. You will be able to edit the version I put in the description. So let's just do a broad overview of what we're looking at here. This is the front page. There's two pages, and this is where you're going to be inputting your trades. This and everything else is auto-populated. So all you need to do is input your trades here. Everything else will take care of it itself. So the asset that doesn't matter as much. Just put whatever asset you're trading, but this isn't, there is no formula here. The date, you put the date because that's going to correlate to this. So trades go in here. Daily profit is going to be shown here with the date, and then whatever your P&L was, it's going to auto-populate here as well. For example, on this, let's just get rid of this trade. Yeah, we'll get rid of that trade. So if we get rid of that trade, now we can see February 3rd, we're up $200. This is, just whatever, but you can see that everything is going to be auto-populated here. It's all taken care of for you. The dashboard on the second side, which we'll go over, it's all taken care of. So how does this work? Let's input a trade here. We're going to go for a date. Let's do yesterday because today I've already done it. The asset, let's say you traded NQ today. So this is the only important part that you need to pay attention to here. The risk, you always put the risk as 1. Now you're going to leave the reward. You're going to put the size, whatever size you did in dollar amount. Let's say you risked $1,000. Now, let's say if you made zero money on that trade, you got a break-even trade, you're just going to put 1. That's null. Let's say you made $1,000, you're going to put 2. And then that's going to auto-populate 1,000. Let's say you made $2,000, you put 3. So, these numbers are going to auto-populate. It's going to be very easy for you to figure it out. And then if you lost the full $1,000, you just put 0. And then that's going to save as 1,000. Let's say some reason you moved your stop and you got minus 2,000, you got minus 1. Now, let's say you made $750. Simple math, that's a quarter. You're just going to do 1.7, or no, sorry, 0.75. No, yeah, 1.75. Yep, and then 1.75, and then that'll show up as this profit. You can see, again, auto-populates here. Now, let's put in another trade. Let's say you trade on 2/6/25. You trade ES1, you lost, and you risked $350. Now, we're going to see here your total win amount and your total loss amount. So this total win amount is the 200 plus the 750 to make 950. Total loss amount is just this one $350 loss. Biggest trade and largest loss. Biggest trade, 750, largest loss. Super easy, gives this data automatically. So now individual trade profitability. This will show you how much money your average trade is making. The line graph right now is pretty, minimal because there's not many trades in it. Now, if you go to dashboard, now we can see total profit. So total profit is taking this minus this. So it's giving you the total, average profit per trade, average profit per day, your total wins, your total losses, and then your percentage of win percentage. So monthly gain, it'll break it down by month for you. Your win-loss ratio, it'll tell you how much you're losing in comparison to winning. Your percentage as a graph, and your days traded. So how many days are you trading? Now, that's pretty much it. It's a very simple spreadsheet. I took care of all the hard work for you. So all you have to do is download it and use it for yourself. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to tweak on the formula side. And I hope you guys enjoy the trading tracking spreadsheet.